Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what Facebook needs and then act. Ensure your personal Facebook has 2FA and an admin mindset. Next, gather business email, add account payment method, and any existing pixel or catalog ID so you won't interrupt ad tracking. Go to business. Facebook. Com and click Create Account, enter business name and primary email. Once created, add yourself as admin and verify email. This secures access and lets you add assets safely without later permission conflicts. Once done, add your page, add account, and pixel under business settings so data flows correctly between properties. Add team members by role. Give admins full control, editors manage content, analysts view reports. Make sure each invited person accepts via the email invite and has 2FA active. This prevents lockouts. If you manage external partners, create partner access or use standard roles to limit control. Finally, connect payment method and set ad spending limits to avoid unexpected billing. To finish, verify your domain so link editing and post-testing work reliably, then run a small test campaign to confirm ad delivery and pixel event tracking. Make sure pixel events show in Events Manager and that billing processes succeed. This validates the end-to-end setup. If something breaks, first check Business Security Center and role permissions. Many issues stem from missing verification or insufficient roles. If still blocked, remove and re-add the asset or contact partner support with clear screenshots and steps to reproduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.